Hi everyone. As New York City reopens, I'm checking in with some of my favorite hotels in the city. Today, I'm in Soho at the Crosby Street Hotel. It's a true urban oasis and a design lover's dream. The Crosby Street makes a bold statement the moment you arrive. Inside, British designer Kemp surprises and delights with color, texture, and plenty of whimsy. The buzzy Crosby Bar and Restaurant welcomes guests and locals alike. Don't miss the afternoon tea. It's seriously the best in town. The outdoor sculpture garden is a peaceful sanctuary that can be rented for private events through September. Just down the block is Balthazar, Soho's most famous restaurant. The neighborhood is full of historic cast iron buildings to explore great boutiques, cool restaurants, galleries, even a secret garden. All of it's just steps away from this one-of-a-kind jewel. Follow me along for more of New York's finest destinations and beyond.